Time. It shapes our lives. It dictates our actions. Yet, it remains a profound mystery. We measure it meticulously, yet it slips through our fingers like grains of sand. Is it a relentless march forward or an illusion, a construct of our minds? From the ticking clock to the changing seasons, we experience time as a flow, a river carrying us from the past to the future. Birth, growth, decay, and death all unfold within this river's currents. We strive to make the most of time, to leave our mark on the world. But what if our perception of time is flawed? What if there's more to time than meets the eye? Spiritual traditions offer insights that challenge our everyday understanding. These perspectives encourage us to look beyond the clock and delve into the deeper mysteries of time. Many spiritual traditions view time as a cycle, not a linear progression. Ancient cultures observed the cyclical patterns of nature, the rising and setting sun, the waxing and waning moon, the ebb and flow of tides. These natural rhythms suggested that time wasn't linear, but rather circular, constantly repeating itself. In Hinduism, the concept of time describes the cyclical journey of the soul through birth, death, and rebirth. Each life is but a single breath in this vast cycle. This perspective shifts our focus from the finite nature of a single lifetime to the infinite potential of the soul's journey. Buddhism echoes this cyclical view, emphasizing the impermanence of all things. The concept of time, or impermanence, teaches us that everything is in a constant state of flux. Just as the seasons change, so too do our lives. A continuous dance of birth, decay, and renewal. Time shapes our experiences and influences our awareness. Our consciousness is intertwined with the flow of time. This dynamic interplay defines our reality. Advaita Vedanta, a school of Hindu philosophy, offers a particularly radical perspective on time. Advaita posits that the true nature of reality is Brahman, a singular, timeless, and unchanging consciousness. What we perceive as the material world, including time, is an illusion that veils our true nature. Imagine a movie projector casting images onto a screen. The images appear to move and change, creating the illusion of time. However, the screen itself, the unchanging backdrop, remains constant. Similarly, Advaita Vedanta suggests that our true self, like the screen, exists beyond the illusion of time, untouched by the ever-changing projections of the mind. The Upanishads, ancient Hindu scriptures, describe time as a manifestation of Brahman. The states, time is Brahman. This doesn't mean that time and Brahman are identical, but rather that time is one of the many forms through which the infinite Brahman manifests itself. If time is an illusion, then what about our experiences? Our memories, hopes, and dreams seem bound to time. Advaita Vedanta says these are part of the grand illusion. Just as a dream feels real, so does our experience of life. The key is realizing our true nature as the timeless self. This self, or Atman, is beyond birth and death. The Bhagavad Gita emphasizes this point. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, "Never was there a time when I did not exist." Our true self, the Atman, is eternal and unchanging. The concept of a timeless self offers profound implications for how we live. If our true nature is beyond time, the present moment becomes the only reality. The past and future lose their grip on us. Living in the now means presence and awareness, free from past regrets or future anxieties. This resonates with various spiritual traditions. Eckhart Tolle emphasizes the power of the present moment. Make the now the primary focus of your life. See. Time remains a profound mystery, a subject that has captivated philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers for centuries. While science seeks to quantify and understand the mechanics of time, spirituality encourages us to explore its subjective and elusive nature. Advaita Vedanta offers a unique perspective, challenging us to question our very perception of time. By contemplating the concept of and the timeless self, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of reality and our place within it. Ultimately, the mystery of time invites us on an inward journey, a journey beyond the ticking clock and into the depths of our own being. Perhaps by exploring these profound spiritual insights, we can begin to unravel the enigma of time and awaken to the timeless reality that lies within us all. In this final chapter, we delve into the profound question, why is everyone bound by time? Time, as we perceive it, is a construct that governs our lives, dictating the rhythm of our existence. But can human beings manipulate time? While we cannot alter the flow of time itself, our perception of time can be influenced by our state of mind. Pause 2s. Practices like meditation and mindfulness can help us experience time more fluidly, making moments feel longer or shorter. For instance, during moments of deep meditation, time may seem to stretch, allowing us to feel a sense of eternity within a single breath. Conversely, in times of stress or haste, hours can seem to disappear in the blink of an eye. Pause 2s. This fluidity in our perception of time reveals a deeper truth. Our experience of time is intimately connected to our inner state. By cultivating a mindful approach to life, we can begin to transcend the relentless ticking of the clock and find a sense of peace and presence in each moment. Pause 2s. Ultimately, understanding our relationship with time can lead to a deeper spiritual insight and a more fulfilling life. By embracing the present moment and recognizing the power of our perception, we can unlock a timeless wisdom within ourselves. Pause 2s. As we journey through the river of time, let us remember that while we may be bound by the construct of time, our true essence is timeless. In this realization lies the key to a more profound and enriched existence. In this chapter, we delve into the philosophical concepts of time. We explore what famous philosophers like Aristotle, Augustine, Kant, and Heidegger thought about time. Aristotle viewed time as a measure of change, while Augustine pondered the nature of past, present, and future. Kant introduced the idea of time as a form of human intuition, and Heidegger discussed time in relation to being and existence. This chapter aims to provide a comprehensive overview of these profound insights. Aristotle, in his work Physics, conceptualized time as a measure of change and motion, intricately tied to the physical world. He proposed that without change, time would cease to exist, emphasizing the interconnectedness of time and the universe. Moving forward to St. Augustine, we encounter a more introspective take. In Confessions, Augustine wrestled with the nature of time, famously questioning, "What then is time?" He suggested that the past exists in memory, the future in expectation, and the present as a fleeting moment, highlighting the elusive and subjective nature of time. Immanuel Kant introduced a groundbreaking perspective in his critique of pure reason. He argued that time is not an external reality, but a form of human intuition, a framework through which we perceive and understand the world. According to Kant, time and space are the lenses through which we experience reality, shaping our very perception of existence. Finally, Martin Heidegger's existential analysis in Being and Time offers a profound exploration of time in relation to human existence. Heidegger posited that our understanding of being is inherently tied to our experience of time. He introduced the concept of being toward death, suggesting that our awareness of mortality profoundly influences our experience of time and existence. By examining these diverse philosophical perspectives, we gain a deeper appreciation of the multifaceted nature of time. Each philosopher offers unique insights, challenging us to reconsider our understanding of time and its impact on our lives. As we conclude this journey through the philosophical realms of time, we are reminded that time is not merely a chronological sequence, but a profound and complex phenomenon that shapes our reality and our very being.